Olfactory nerve. Number 2 is the optic nerve. Number 3 is the ocular motor nerve. Number 4 is the trochlear nerve, and this one is broken. And number 5 is the trigeminal nerve. And number 6 on the inside is the abducens nerve. And number 7 is the facial nerve. An auditory nerve is number 8 on the outside. Number 9 is the bottom half, which is the glossopharyngeal nerve. And the top half is 10, which is the vagus nerve. And this whole part is 11, which is the spinal accessory nerve. And 12 is the hypoglossal nerve.
We go to the sensor. We go to the sensor.
Oh, sensory. So for sensories, this would be, what am I doing? Sensory is 1, sensory for 2, and motor is 3, and 4 is motor, and 5 is both sensory and motor, and 6 is motor, and 7 is the facial, which is both the sensory and motor, and auditory is the sensory, and then 9 is both the sensory and motor, and 10 is both sensory and motor, and 11 is motor, and 12 is motor.